Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide importance markers in Gmail on your PC. If you find the importance markers distracting or unnecessary, follow these simple steps to remove them from your inbox. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Inbox, located at the top. Step 5. Next to Importance Markers, you will see different options. Click on No Markers to hide the importance markers. By hiding the importance markers, you can declutter your inbox and focus on your emails without any distractions. This can help you maintain a cleaner and more organized Gmail experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.